Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you 50 odd things about me. This tag was originally created by Flo In The City in response to 50 questions, but I was directly tagged by my lovely friend Gwenny. Thank you Gwenny for tagging me again. And I really wanted to go with the style of Gwenny where she is giving random list like a freestyle vibe. So I will be placing the link of her video in the description box below, and please feel free to watch her video as well, and you would definitely love her too. So let's start. Number 1, I am perfectionist when it comes to bags. It doesn't have to have a brand. I always want perfect shapes, smooth zippers, no scratches. I always see the small details. Number 2, I am indecisive when buying bags. Whenever I buy a bag, it took me a long time and the odd thing is when I get home, despite the long hours searching, I wanted to return in exchange for the other color or style. And I'm so happy that my husband already accepted this odd odd characteristic of me. Number 3, I am addicted to bags. They sometimes appear in my dreams. Number 4, I was heartbroken once about a bag. In my school years, I always wanted a bag, but I really can't afford it right away, so I save up for it. And then when I'm ready to buy it, it was always sold out in the market. Number 5, I have a one bag through school. I was given my very first branded bag. It is a United Colors of Benetton bag. It is just a plain small backpack, and I use it non-stop through my school years. Number 6, I'm resourceful about bags. When I don't have a budget to buy a bag, I always create one for myself, and this is an example of my first bag that I have created out of velvet fabric, leftover pieces at home, and then I also recycled the buttons and a zipper, and I created this bag because I wanted to have a bag, and I just created it myself. And this is another one. It is a cell phone holder where it can hold small phones, because during those times phones are still small phones, Nokia small phones. Number 7, I'm innovative about bags. I always make revamps on my bag so it look different and unique. So if you can remember my backpack, black backpack, United Colors of Benetton, this is just a plain bag, and it is really very worn out, very loved, and I decided to make it into a ladybug backpack. And here's the picture that I have for you to see. I wish I could show you the actual, but I have sold it before. So so this is the ladybug backpack that I have created from the United Colors of Benetton bag. Number 8, in my 20s, I wanted to have an alive pet ladybug. Number 9, I researched on the web about the history of ladybugs. The name ladybird originated in Britain, where insects became known as Our Lady's bird or the lady beetle. Mother Mary was seen in early paintings wearing a red cloak with red dots. These are the 7 spots of the ladybug or ladybird, which symbolizes her 7 joys and 7 sorrows. Then I wanted to have a ladybug even more. So number 10, I collected items with ladybug designs, and here are some of the things that I have collected through the years. Number 11, the colorful bag at the mall. One time I saw a bag at the mall. It's too colorful, then my husband gave a set to me on my birthday, a backpack, a pouch, and a travel bag. And I wanted to collect the other small things, pouch and wallet, that look like a matchy theme. Number 12, I used the backpack until it gave up on me. The zippers got worn out. It was broken already, and the print, I still love the print of the bag, so I recycled the material. I made this backpack into a handbag, a coin purse, and a thin pouch. So this is the picture of what it looked like. But then I also sold them as a set, so I can show you the bag anymore. Number 13, when I was a child, I dreamt of being a dressmaker, but it didn't pursue. I took fine arts in college instead. Number 14, I once invented a wallet that is made of chocolate candy wrapper, and I gave them as gifts to my sisters one Christmas, and this is what it looks like. I made use of the candy wrapper and like a recycled wallet. Number 15, then my sisters and we decided to invent a budget wallet out of PU leather. This is called the Hehe wallet. Hehe means healthy earth, happy earth. Number 16, I love chocolates. I sometimes call myself a choco monster. Number 17, I love to draw since I was 3.5 years old. So my mom saved this first drawing that I did. This is the first drawing. You can see I drew myself. I have different colored hands. So I'm so happy she was able to save it for me to show you. Number 18, when I was young, I always joined different art contests but never won in any of them. Number 19, but when I was 8 years old, my mom let me join an art workshop from her office. It was a free workshop. I was really shocked when I was awarded the first place in this contest. I really didn't know I would be given an award on this one and was so happy. So this is my medal and my picture when I was given the award, one of my greatest achievements of my life. Number 20, I usually imitate choir who are singing church even though I am in my bathroom. I think a lot of people does that. Huh? Number 21, I joined the Glee Club in high school. Number 22, I dreamt of being a popular singer once in my life but didn't have the high-pitched voice. So let me sing something for you. Would that be okay? Here goes. I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to a place I love. Take me all the way. I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to a place I love. Take me all the way. Hope you like it. If you didn't, sorry, I just tried. Number 23, when I was in elementary, I created some comic strip drawings, and here are some of my drawings that I have done. I'm glad I was able to keep them. And number 24, when I get bored, I also draw to pass the time, so I have collected several sketches, portrait sketches during my younger years. So these are some of the portrait sketches that I have done. Some in sketching pencil, some in charcoal, and some in watercolor. Number 25, I am extremely gullible. When people tells me things even made up things, I always believe. Number 26, I love the sound of the keyboard when typing. So it feels soothing when I hear that. Number 27, I love the sound of crunchy leaves. Also very soothing sound. And number 28, I love the sound of the heels when walking in tiles or cement. Another soothing sound. Number 29, I wanted to learn how to play the drums. I did not take any lessons when I was a kid, but I remembered I took the piano when I was little. So this is the picture. Number 30, I wanted to take taekwondo classes, but my mom wouldn't allow me, so I didn't learn it. Number 31, there was a time that I got addicted to K-dramas. Number 32, whenever something interests me, I always do some extensive research. So I also research on the actors' lifestyle, K-drama actors and actresses. Number 33, I always dreamt of being a radio announcer, but number 34, when I was younger, I used to play male roles on school plays because I can make my voice big like a man. Number 35, when I was a kid, I liked to dress up costumes. Not an odd characteristic, but I just wanted to share this. So in this picture, I was wearing a Wonder Woman costume, and in this one is my birthday. I was wearing a Pocahontas costume. Number 36, I'm not afraid to kill a cockroach. I think I'm tough, right? Number 37, when I was in 4th grade, I had a cracked tooth. I had an accident. I was slipped when I was walking. There was a cable, and my face landed on the foot of the stairs, and I was a cracked tooth until I was in high school. Number 38, I'm afraid of looking at the clear water and seeing the depth of the sea. Number 39, I'm afraid of looking at high mountains. I feel dizzy when I look at the big mountains. I'm really overwhelmed. Number 40, when I was a kid, I always have this imaginations that I can see ghosts. I shouldn't elaborate on that. Number 41, I was afraid of boys when I was in high school. Probably because we are all girls in our family, and we have gone to all girls schools, so I think that's the reason. Number 42, I'm afraid of looking at gigantic things, like big things, big circle things, big triangle things, or the Statue of Liberty, or big, humongous. I think they overwhelm me and make me dizzy when I look at them. I think it's a kind of a phobia. Number 43, I'm a bit of a germaphobe. Number 44, I'm afraid of dogs who barks a lot. Number 45, I'm a bit of a superstitious person. Number 46, when I was 10, I played with our toothpicks at our kitchen and started to color them and made them into a little colored pencils. I bought them at school, and my classmates bought them all and wanted to order more. When I get back home, my mom was wondering where all the toothpicks had gone. Number 47, in my 20s, I applied for a job as a designer for a famous kids brand. I will not mention the name of the brand, and I almost got hired, but then they decided to hire someone from the same country instead. So I was really depressed about it, and so I created my very own cartoon character. This is my cartoon character that I have created. I named him Ato. Number 48, I dreamt of being a famous bag designer. I really hope I'm not really too late about this dream. I really hope for this dream to come true soon. Number 49, doing bag revamps relieves my stress. So whenever I get stressed to work, I always do something about my bags or create something out of scratch, and it relaxes me, and the stress goes away. And number 50, I am passionate about bags, very passionate about bags. It makes me, it also takes my stress away just by looking at them, with brand, no brands. Not really very particular about brands, but I really would be happy to own and experience the quality of the brands as well. So I'm really happy just by looking at these beautiful bags. It makes my stress go away. So that is my 50 odd things about me. It's such a long list. I really hope you were able to stay with me until the end. and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you, thank you. Each of us have been created with unique and special characteristics. We have been given not only one but several other talents. We just need to discover them, develop them, and share them with others. This is all for God's glory. Let's be thankful for each small or big blessing we receive. Remember, God will be very, very happy to hear even our smallest thank you. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I will be tagging some of my lovely friends and the links below. And everyone who wanted to join, please join. I would love to tag you as well. And I hope you really enjoyed watching. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please click the notification bell. And let's always thank God for the blessings. Till next time, bye!